Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we are going to see how you can know when someone blocks you on Instagram. So without delay, let's get started. There are three methods to check if you are blocked on Instagram or not. For the first method, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to the chat, open the person's chat who you think has blocked you. I'm sending something here. To check here if I am blocked or not, click on the profile icon here. If you are blocked, then it will look like this. But suppose you haven't talked to this person yet. So for that, what you can do is go to the post where the person has commented like this. This is the one. Tap on this. If you can see the profile, then you are not blocked. But if you cannot see like this, I'm not seeing any post here, so this means that I am blocked by this user. So this was the second method. But suppose what the user has deleted his or her account, what you can do in this case is search for that person, like I'm searching here. You'll not able to find that profile in this section anywhere. So this means that you are blocked, but this doesn't completely mean that you are blocked, because user might have deleted his or her profile. For that, you have to simply open your Chrome, and there you have to enter the username with instagram.com. This was the profile. Logged to Instagram website through Google Chrome, so that's why I am able to see the profile. But if I have logged into Instagram website through Google Chrome, I wouldn't be able to see this profile which has blocked me. So in this way, you can know if someone has blocked you on Instagram or not. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe. Thank you very much.